Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand.
I try to fix it, I try to fight it. My head is twisted, my heart divided.
My lives all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side.
I broke into many pieces, I can't go back when I see the beauty and a broken glass.
The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like.
Why did I cover up the color stuck inside my head? I should've let the jagged edges meet the light instead.
Show me your side.
I'll find your harmony, the song we couldn't write. This is what it sounds like. We're shattering the silence, we're rising, defiant, shouting in the quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons, we let them get between us, but none of us are out here